Welcome to the University of Vermont Libraries. In this video, we'll take a look at the UVM Libraries Discovery tool and learn how to use it. Let's start by taking a look at the search box itself. The box on the left is where you will enter your search terms. The drop-down on the right is where you can decide what collection or collections you'd like to search. The selection default is Search Everything. Search Everything includes all libraries collections, what you see listed below, as well as millions of other articles, books, ebooks, images, and more. You can also select UVM Libraries to search the UVM Libraries catalog, as well as all of the collections listed. Or you can search a specific collection if you'd like. There are links to the Bailey Howe Library and Dana Medical Library web pages, as well as links to Ask a Librarian under the search box. You can also select Advanced Search in order to add multiple search terms and/or limit by publication date, material type, language, or search scope. And search scope refers again to the collections that you want to search. Let's do a quick search for cognitive development and leave the default Search Everything. You can see that we've retrieved quite a mix of materials. The first result is an article, the second a book, the third a journal with the title Cognitive Development, the fifth is a video, and so on and so on. You can see that within each record there's a list of options. For our first result, an article, basic citation info appears in the result list, as well as whether or not the item is peer-reviewed and whether or not we have the article in online full text. We can get more information about the article by clicking on Full Record. This brings up more extensive citation information, as well as the article's abstract if it's available. If another user has reviewed or tagged an article, that would appear in the second tag, Reviews and Tags. If you click on Recommendations, you'll get a list of articles similar to the one you're looking at. These are suggestions to help expand your search. And if you click on the Find It at UVM button, you'll get one of three things. First, you may be connected to the online full text of the article if we own the online full text, or you may get a listing of what volumes we own in print if we own it in print, or if we don't own the article, you'll get a screen here telling you so, along with a link to our interlibrary loan request form so that you can request that we get the article for you from another library. For this article, let's click on Find It. And it brings up the article itself, as well as a link to the PDF. Let's close this up and take a look at our second result. Our second result is a book record. Again, we get some brief information about the book directly underneath the title, and we get the book's location beneath that. If it's here in the library, it will say Available. If it's checked out, it will say Checked Out at either the Bailey Howe Library or the Dana Medical Library. If we don't own the book that you're looking at, you can request the book via interlibrary loan by clicking the Request button. If we do own the book, you can see the different locations where we own copies. If one copy was at the Dana Medical Library and one at the Bailey Howe Library, you could see where those books are in each location by clicking on Location. You can get more detailed information about the book by clicking on Full Record. Or again, you can see User Reviews and Tags by clicking on the Final tab. Other item types, videos, book chapters, journals, images, have similar tabs displaying similar information. Our initial search was very broad in scope. We searched everything and used a very common phrase as our search term. There are a number of ways to limit and refine your searches, and these can be very powerful as you search. Initially, we could have limited where we were looking to something more specific than everything. We could have specified a more specific collection within which to search. If you notice on the left-hand side of the page, there are a number of different ways to refine your results after performing a search. You can refine again by collection. This will bring up only the collections hit in your search. By resource type, by subject, or by date, author, library location, journal title. This refers to the journal title in which the articles in your results set appear. Source, meaning the database or electronic resource from which full-text articles are being pulled. Library of Congress classification ranges, and the different languages associated with your results. There are also quick limits in red at the top of the search results. Peer-reviewed journals, full text online, and available in the library. As many of these three quick limits will show as apply to your result set. So if all you retrieved with your search were books, peer-reviewed journals would not appear. With all of the ways to pare down or facet your search, the Discovery tool gives you a good amount of flexibility regarding how you want to carve up your results. Two other things to mention. The Discovery tool gives you suggestions of authors and terminology to continue your search in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Also, it allows you to resort your list, now sorted by relevance, to sorted by date, popularity, authors, or titles. Hopefully, you'll find searching with the UVM Library's Discovery tool a rewarding experience. Good luck with your searching, and thanks for watching.